I'm a handy helper. Today I'll be doing this video with young Squire.
Hello people of YouTube, I hope you enjoy the video.
What you'll need is a shiny green, a normal green, this one's Granny Smith apple, a dark green, a shiny green, a slightly bit darker green, pretty shiny, and a white, and a white. The plates we'll be using is CZ Super, MJ XVIII, and Stampholic Plate. So let's get started. Okay, young Squire, which one's gonna go on the foam?
This one, handy helper. Choose this one.
I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the thumb.
It looks okay, handy helper.
There was this part. And there's the nail. Now, which polish is for the pointer?
This one, handy helper. Choose this one, please. Handy helper, I think that's enough nail polish for now.
And there's the pointer. Which one's going to go on the middle finger?
This one goes on our favorite nail. I think that's enough for the best nail that we have.
And there's the middle. What green is going to go on the ring?
This one will go on the ring finger, the finger that tells you whether or not someone's married, or whether or not you should tell on them. Okay, handy helper, I think that's enough for this one. Save some for the next one.
There's the ring. Which color is going to go on the pinky?
This one will go on the finger that is not even slightly important. Okay, handy helper, that one does not warrant that much paint. It's not important.
There's the pinky. Now we're gonna put the green lantern on the thumb.
Although it should have gone on the ring finger.
There's Green Lantern.
So it looks good, handy helper.
Now I'm gonna use this browser on this big plate. Did not work, so I'm gonna try again.
Put it on the middle of the nail.
Just browser. Now I'm gonna use Baby Luigi.
Baby Luigi is gonna be the one flipping you off. Put on the middle of the nail.
There's Baby Luigi. Now I'm going to do Koopa Troopa.
Right in the middle of the nail.
Here's Koopa Troopa. Now I'm going to do an Android on the pinky.
The most important one goes on the least important finger. Probably should have put it on the middle finger since that's the most important. Put it on the middle. Make sure it's right side up.
Yes, sir. There's Android.
For our beautiful audience.
Now I'm going to put a clear coat on it, on the nail, and I'm going to float it.
Whatever floats your boat, handy helper.
There it is. Young Squire, would you like to try to put the clear coat on this nail?
No, I don't want to screw up the most important nail. What's wrong with you? This is the one you don't want to screw up. This is the one you want to have look the nicest.
Squire, do you want to do this? Do you want to do the pinky?
No, that has the most important image. Don't want to screw that one up either.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Here's the pinky. Here's the finished set. I hope you enjoyed having my special guest, young Squire. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, people of YouTube. I hope you enjoyed.